kitchen. Today's dish is Bringhe, or chicken with coconut and turmeric and sticky rice. Come on, let's go! Now we have the ingredients for the Bringhe, this Kapampangan dish, or actually the Filipino Kapampangan version of a Indonesian curry or Indian curry. But the only thing that is used here that is sort of like in the curry family is the turmeric and coconut milk. And in my version, I put a happy balance between jasmine rice and sticky rice so that the dish is not so heavy, because the original was all sticky rice and it's kind of heavy. So I also use my favorite parts in the chicken, which is leg and thigh, but you can go ahead and use the entire chicken and cut it up into pieces. I'm going to cut up this leg and thigh into a leg and a thigh. And then these native sausages are actually part of the decoration for the dish. We use the garlic, the onion, the turmeric. Now, if you don't want to mess up your hands, because the turmeric will actually color your fingers when you're grinding them. But you see, it's also one of these new things about health. Turmeric is one of the things anti-cancer, anti-this and anti-that. So, if you want to do it from the scratch, use fresh turmeric. Also, if you don't want to dirty your hands, well, there's powdered turmeric. Okay. Now, this is already grated coconut, mature. It's called nyog. And what we're going to do is we're going to extract the milk from the coconut. And what we're going to do is we're going to put cold water and extract the milk from the coconut. I read that if you press this without putting any liquid, it's what you call first press or kakang-gata. But I don't have the strength to do that. So I'm just going to put some water, because I really need to cook it anyway, and press it after. Okay, this is the jasmine rice, and this is the sticky rice. This green pepper or bell pepper or capsicum is also used as part of the decoration for the dish. And so now we're going to pour some water into the grated coconut so that we can extract its milk. And what you need to do is you have to press so that you see the liquid turning milky. Kitchen, turn on your oven and keep it up to 180 degrees centigrade. So we pour in the oil. When it reaches 100 degrees centigrade, I'm going to start sauteing. I have some garlic. powder the turmeric if you don't want to get your hands dirty. But I must say, the fresh turmeric has a very nice smell. Sticky rice, jasmine rice. Give it a toss. I have to taste it a bit before we put it in the oven, so at least I will know whether the flavors have been balanced out. Melt into each other, and we have something also like a paella. Okay, so while that is cooking, we're going to now fry our decoration, which is the native sausage, and then we're also going to grill the green pepper so that we're going to use those as decoration, and we're going to boil 2 hard-boiled eggs because we're going to use them also as decoration. Now we want it to cook it rather slowly. Okay, and now we're going to roast the capsicum. Now, because of this particular kind of stove that I have, I can do it straight. But for the normal things, you have to put a grill top and then put the capsicum on top. The Bringhe has been in the oven for about 30 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to toss it and then return it. I think paella style cooking is universal. Each region has its version, and this one is the Asian version. It would really be better if your wok had a cover that was oven safe, okay? But I don't have a cover for this, so it has to be aluminum foil. Kain tayo. Okay, then 5 minutes inside the oven just to finish it and tikman na natin. Yeah! Bringhe, Pampanga style. Looks manyaman. Chicken with coconut, turmeric, and sticky rice. Try it yourself. Let me know how yours turns out. Tag me at Tita Meg Cooks when you upload your photos. See you next recipe. Toodle-doo! Bring it into the oven. Oops. Roasting the capsicum and frying the longanisa and boiling the egg.